Good evening to you all and welcome to our channel. It's Authentic right here. So in this particular video, we'll be talking about this project called EFSANE. So if you take a look at my screen right here, you will see it right here, EFSANE. So I know most of you guys are already familiar to this particular project, and most of you guys have already started earning from this particular project. But if you are not familiar with the project yet, or you have not started earning, then you have to stick around this video because we'll be talking about this project, how you can be able to basically start earning immediately, and all you have to know about the project. Okay, so like I said earlier, the name of this project is called EFSANE, or you can see EFSANE3.com, stuff like that. So basically I'll walk you guys through on how to get started. The link to this particular project is going to be in the description section and also the comment section of this video. So all you have to do is just tap on the link, then it will take you to your browser. Once it takes you to your browser, this is how the interface is literally going to be. Okay, so then you look at this upper part where they wrote login/register. So as a new person joining the project, you just have to click on register. Okay, so tap on register, you wait for them to bring up the registration procedures for you. Okay, so make sure that this particular invite code right here is in your dashboard when you are trying to sign up, because both of us are going to be earning rewards. Okay, so I'll be earning reward for inviting you, then you two will be earning your welcome bonus as well. Okay, so basically this is how to go about it. You just have to register with your phone number. All right, then you put a verification code. So come at this particular place where there is phone number, tap here and change this particular drop down right here to your country code. Okay, so you guys can see. So if you are in Nigeria, don't just come and search Nigeria right here, you are not going to see it. You just have to scroll up, literally scroll up one after the other. Okay, till you find your country code, or till you find Nigeria, stuff like that. So this is Nigeria right here. You tap on it, then you put your phone number. Okay, so after adding your number right here, you click on this place that they wrote send verification code, and they will send the verification code to the number you put right here. Then put the code right here, put your password, verify your password, then click on register, and you are good to go. It's as simple as that. Okay, so that's just basically how to get started in this particular project. So I've already registered, so let me head straight to my login dashboard and put in my details. Okay, so after you've successfully registered with your phone number, you can go ahead and add an email address, because that will be the easiest way to sign into this particular project. Okay, like me, I'm making use of my email address. So let me just head straight and log into this particular project. So I've already toggled it onto email. So all I have to do is just to tap on this particular enter email, stuff like that. I think my details is already auto saved. Let me just tap on it and see if it will come. Okay, so let me just put my email right here, then we'll proceed with all right, so this is my email right here. Then I will put my password. Okay, it has already popped up. My password is here already. So click on verify you are human. You wait for them to verify the captcha. Okay, you guys can see success. So I'll just tap on login right here and I'll show you guys. Okay, success. We've already logged in into this particular project. So this is how your dashboard is going to be after you've successfully registered and logged in. So you can come at this particular personal center right here to view your details and stuff like that. Now if you click on this particular one that says personal center, let's just tap on it, personal center. This is where you are going to be seeing your details right here. Okay, so your username, your name, your username, your UID level, and everything, and so on and so forth. Okay, so basically there are two major ways to earn in this particular project, which is daily sign-in and the referrals. That is the two major ways that I've been earning, and that is exactly the two major ways that I found out that you can earn from. So this place that they wrote sign in, you just have to come here and sign in every 24 hours. Or basically some people were of the opinion that you can sign in twice a day, probably early in the morning and around 10 something in the day. Okay, let's just watch and see if it works this time around. So if you take a look at my dashboard right here, you can see that I've already signed in for today, which is the first day of May 2025, and the sign-in button is still open for me. So let me see if they are going to record this particular one in today's sign-in or in tomorrow's sign-in. So let me just tap on sign-in right here. You can see sign-in successful. Then I'll come back to personal center again, scroll up, and you will see that my dashboard has already increased. Okay, they have already recorded it in tomorrow's sign-in, so I don't really need to sign in tomorrow again. If I sign in tomorrow, it will bring me to next tomorrow as well. So every day you come and sign in, you claim 400 gems right here. So this is where you earn gem points that you convert to either Phi token or USDT and withdraw to your wallet. So make sure you sign in every 24 hours. Okay, so that is the first one. Then the second one is to invite your family and friends in this particular project. So just click on this drop down right here. You can see spot accounts. This is where you can be able to convert the gems to either FI or USDT. So you click on this drop down right here. You will see the amount of coins you can convert it to FI, USDT, GRT. This particular FI is already trading at $0.8 on Mexi Exchange as at the time of making this video. Okay, and the minimum withdrawal right here is 10 USDT if you are withdrawing in USDT. So let me just click on maximum right here. You guys will see what I have right here under FI. So if I change it to USDT, I click on maximum again, you will see the equivalent value right here in USDT. So it's not up to the withdrawal threshold. Okay, so I will need to make sure that this amount reach at least 10 USDT before I can be able to confirm and withdraw. Okay, so it's as simple as that. Once you just have the equivalent amount to withdraw, just click on confirm right here. Then they will give you the option to put your email address, your USDT email address, and withdraw. But we'll be covering that in our next video when we have enough tokens to withdraw. So come to task center right here. You guys can see, like I said, this is the two major ways to earn, and this is the new user registration, which is the welcome bonus that I talked about, and the daily check-in. Okay, so this particular one is lucky draw betting and share the lucky draw. I don't really know much about this. It's just like gambling of a thing, but you can explore it if you wish and see how it goes. All these are daily activities right here. Okay, so but the major ones that I know is this particular daily check-in and the referrals. Okay, so that's just that. So still click on the drop down right here. If you really want to invite your family and friends, which is very, very necessary, click on this invitation reward, tap on invitation reward. Then here you'll be getting your invitation code and your invitation link. Copy it, send it to everybody, and each person that joined through your link, you get 400 points right here. You guys can see 400 gems, and you get 600 gems or 1000 gems. Basically it depends on what they give you. So you guys can see invitation rebates right here. So different levels attract different rewards or stuff like that. Okay, so that is just how it basically works. Okay, like I said, when I have the minimum amount threshold to withdraw, we'll be talking about that. Okay, so this particular one is system notification, check about system, then the lucky draw, the account security password. Just do well to twerk around this project and see for yourself. Okay, twerk around this project and see everything you're supposed to know right here. Okay, so but like I said, just get started immediately after watching this video and start signing in daily and referring your family and friends. Okay, so we will have the minimum amount of withdraw. We'll show you guys how you can be able to submit your address, but the process is very simple. Like I said earlier, just have to come at this particular place at the Rose Spot account. You convert the amount of gems you have to either USDT or FI token. Click on confirm. Since you have up to this amount of USDT, which is 10 USDT, or let's say 11.12, because you'll be paying gas fee. Okay, then you just confirm it. They will show you the address you need to paste it from your any exchange, either non-custodian or thereabout, and withdraw. As simple as that. So that is just basically the latest information about FI and how you can get started immediately. Okay, so like I said, if you have not joined, join immediately after watching this video with the link in the description section and comment section of this video. Then start signing in daily and start bringing in people. Okay, and start earning the gems points that will be converted to USDT. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Stay safe till I come your way next time. Enjoy the rest of your new month and bye for now.